How to solve OTG not working on Android phone. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your settings of your device. Scroll all the way down and move into About Phone. Once again scroll down and right here you'll find the option of build number. All you want to do is tap this option for 5 times. And then enter the password or the pattern of your device. Well, your developer option has been enabled. Now go back and in the search bar search for developer options. Click on it. Well, different features will be visible to you. Scroll all the way down and you'll find the option where it says Default USB Configuration. All you want to do is enable this option. And then set the settings to File Transfer or Android Auto. Once it has been done, now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to your settings. Move into Apps. Tap on See All Apps. Search for the application Files by Google. And then head over to it. Move into Storage and Cache. Over here you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. Well, clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted blocks from this app, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing in this device, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix OTG not working on Android phone. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.